In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Eber Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Eber Prep. Bible knowledge, which is the only gospel not described as synoptic?
John.
Correct. Creative kids. Bible knowledge, which is the only gospel in which the parable of the Good Samaritan is recorded?
Luke.
Correct. International affairs is a visual question, Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this Caribbean leader.
Mia Motley.
Incorrect. Juliana Yvonne O'Connor Connolly, Premier of the Cayman Islands. International affairs, a visual question for you creative kids. Look at the monitor and identify this Caribbean leader.
Charles Washington Mystique.
Premier of the Turks and Caicos Islands. That is correct. Science, Eber. What is the name of the deep cavity in the skull in which most of the eyeball is protected?
Eye socket.
Correct. Science, creative kids. What is the name given to an area of darkness that forms when an opaque object blocks light?
Shadow.
That's right. Television, a visual question, Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Angela.
Incorrect. The answer is Angelica. Television, a visual question for you creative kids. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Chad Spencer.
Incorrect. Drew Pickles from Rugrats. English language, Eber. How do you spell chaotic?
CHAOTIC.
Correct. English language, creative kids. How do you spell palatable?
PALITABLE.
Incorrect. PALATABLE. Sports, a visual question, Eber. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Incorrect. Deandra Doughton, West Indies cricketer. Creative kids, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Haley Matthews.
Incorrect. Chanel Henry, West Indies cricketer. Eber, general knowledge, on which continent is the Atacama Desert?
South America.
That's right. Creative kids, general knowledge, in which Asian country is the Golden Temple of Amritsar?
China.
Incorrect. India. Social studies, Eber, which Haitian leader was nicknamed Papa Doc? Incorrect. Francois Duvalier. Creative kids, social studies. What was the first name of the son of Haiti's Francois Duvalier, who was known as Baby Doc?
Robert.
Incorrect. Jean-Claude. Eber, music. What nationality was the classical composer Johann Bach?
British.
Incorrect. German. Creative kids, music. What nationality was the classical composer Antonio Vivaldi?
Italian.
Correct. Eber, mathematics, a sum of $450 is shared in the ratio 7 to 8. What is the larger portion of money?
$210.
Incorrect. $240. Creative kids, mathematics, in a class, 4 out of every 7 students are girls. If there are 42 students at the school, how many are boys?
18.
Correct. Eber? And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 5 and Eber Prep on 4. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Prioritize your assignments by making to-do lists with deadlines. A very important tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.